I'm Danielle Hoover. I'm 17 years old and I play soccer and I tore my ACL. I tore on November 10th and I had surgery on November 22nd. Today is Sunday, February 16th. I'm almost 3 months out of surgery and here's what I did today at rehab.
Explode, okay, and get your body to the 35.
Today we did a new drill where I got in a harness and pulled a sled behind me while I was sprinting. And even though it was only 15 yards or so, it was pretty hard, but Kobe said it would help me get my speed back.
Alright, let's play with the ball. I know you're nice. I think she's doing great. I think she continues to get better on her ball skills as well as cutting. She needs to be a little more fearless when I ask her to cut, but everything keeps improving and couldn't be more happy with how she's participating and how she's doing.
She's on schedule, ahead of schedule, doing fine?
I think she's ahead of schedule. I think she's probably 2 weeks ahead of schedule.
Holy cow. What was it like being out there kicking the ball today? It looked like you were finally having some fun in this rehab process.
Yeah, it was really fun. We're finally getting to the point where I feel like an athlete again, not just working on flexibility or being able to just lift my leg up. It's so much better. And he says I'm past that point of rehab where it's finally fun now. Of course it's hard that I can't play because I love soccer and I want to be able to help my team, but I know that it's all part of the process and that just every day I need to focus on getting better that day and I can't look too far ahead or I might skip something important in making me ready to play. But my trainer says that I get to start practicing with the team a little bit, just kicking the ball around, so that's really exciting.
You're shooting.
Oh, I'm shooting.
We're a burner!
Chop with both legs. No, just down.
One of the things that we emphasize the most is using both of my legs the same. I don't put more weight on my right just because my left hurts. Kobe always asks me, how many good legs do you have? And I have to say two because it's true. After surgery, you do have two good legs. One is weaker and you just have to strengthen it. You can't cheat or else you could risk injuring the other leg when you come back.